Most people spend years studying Kabbalah. They learn the Tree of Life, they memorize the Sephiroth, and yet nothing changes, because knowledge alone does not transform you. In the next 5 minutes you will understand what Practical Qabbalah truly means and how theory becomes real inner transformation. The Practical Qabbalah. Kabbalah and the Kabbalistic Tree of Life are ancient teachings rooted in Judaism. The Tree of Life is a symbolic structure that describes the interconnected principles of creation. It shows how divine forces unfold, both in the cosmos and within the human soul. The tree is therefore both a model of the universe and a model of the soul. From early on, Kabbalah was not understood as a purely theoretical system. It was also applied in practice. A well-known example is the Baal Shem Tov. In the 18th century Eastern Europe, the title Baal Shem means master of the name, indicating familiarity with sacred names and spiritual formulas. Tradition attributes to him healings, acts of protection, and spiritual interventions. This shows that Kabbalah was never merely intellectual. It was understood as an effective spiritual path that brings order to consciousness and transforms life. The central concept in this context is Shefa, the divine flow or influx. Through understanding, inner alignment, and structured ritual practice, this influence can be consciously received. Ritual serves as a structured method of integration. Practical ritual work begins within. It brings order to thought and emotion. Transformation always starts in consciousness. To the extent that higher principles are understood and internalized, they become active in one's life. For this reason, ethical development is essential. Without inner maturity, practice remains superficial. In our training program, Kabbalah Ma'asit, we teach the practical application of these principles. You learn step by step how ritual work is structured and how it can be carried out responsibly. The link is in the description. In addition, in April 2026, we will hold a 4-day workshop dedicated to classical Kabbalistic ritual forms. What is the purpose of such rituals? Classical Kabbalistic rituals help anchor the learned structure of the Tree of Life within consciousness. They unite theory and experience. The structure of the tree is not only studied but inwardly realized. There are also ritual forms intended to deepen the understanding of the Torah. An insight into practical approaches can be found in the work Kabbalistic Magic by Salomo Baal Shem. Over time, one's thinking, feeling, and actions can increasingly come into alignment with this structure. How does one begin this path? Everything begins with the right intention, alignment with the highest, the sincere will for inner clarification and spiritual growth. These form the foundation. Dion Fortune expressed it clearly. Preparation is half the work. This means that careful study and inner training must precede any practice. First, you learn the symbolic system of the Tree of Life thoroughly. But study alone is not enough. Deep understanding is required. One essential method is meditation on the Tree of Life and its principles. In meditation, consciousness enters a deep state in which insights can be recognized, ordered, and integrated more clearly. A further step is classical ritual practice. Ritual integrates what has been studied and contemplated. Within a ritual framework, the structure of the tree is inwardly enacted. Before we explain how such a ritual unfolds, we would like to thank our subscribers and our supporters on Patreon. If you would like to help this knowledge reach more people, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us to continue this work. How does such a ritual proceed? A ritual is never spontaneous. It is carefully prepared. First, the work is consciously placed in service of the light. This clarifies inner alignment. The place and your mind can then be symbolically structured, for example, through the opening of the 4 quarters. The qualities of each quarter are consciously addressed and corresponding forces are invoked in accordance with the purpose of the work. During the ritual, the intention is clearly articulated. Various symbols or tools, such as candles, incense, bread, or wine, may be used. They serve as a visible representation of inner processes. When the work is complete, a conscious closing takes place. The invoked forces are respectfully released, the quarters symbolically closed, and the transition back to the ordinary awareness is made. It is important that rituals are not performed casually or experimentally. They require understanding, discipline, and ideally experienced guidance. Have you had experience with ritual or practical Kabbalah? Let us know in the comments. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.